Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to setting up Vanilla Typescript with Vite. So let's get started. At first, open a new terminal. Make sure that you already have installed node.js and npm on your system. Check by running these commands. Node-v for node.js and npm-v for npm node package manager. I already have installed node.js and npm on my system. If you don't have installed node.js and npm on your system, you will find a link in video description how to install node.js and npm on Ubuntu or Linux. Let's create a new vanilla TypeScript with Vite. So navigate to a directory where you want to store the newly created application. I am going to navigate to desktop and write this command npm create vite at latest, then hit enter. Now write the project name, my case my hyphen app, then hit enter. Now select a framework, in this case vanilla, using up and down arrow key. Now select a variant. I am going to select TypeScript, then hit enter. That's it. The application created successfully. Now navigate to the application's root directory. Okay. Now install the necessary dependencies for this application using npm install command. Write this command and hit enter. It may take a while. The necessary packages added to this application's package.json file. Now I am going to start the development server using this command npm run dev. Hit enter. That's it. Development server running on this URL within the port number 5173. Now open this link. That's it. If you want to stop the development server, press Ctrl C. Open this application in any text editor. My case, Visual Studio Code is preferred. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and share. And thank you so much for watching this tutorial.